Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, make video about tutorial Photoshop. Yesterday is just introduced about function feature about Photoshop, and now I wanna tutorial about Photoshop. But before we are open Photoshop, what name? Okay. Oh, Adobe Premiere. Okay. I'm sorry about Adobe Premiere. Okay. Now, Adobe Premiere. Now, I wanna open YouTube first. Wait a minute. It's loading. By back like I forget what the English. Wait a minute, guys. It's loading back. Okay. Wi-Fi. Why you are so hate me? Nah, then wait a minute. I'm forget share screen. Next one share. Okay, this is YouTube. Now we are video HD. We open video for maybe I'm this video. Let me actually it's very okay. We are copy loading, and now we are open yesterday inventory. Okay, and if you ask, will you open yesterday inventory? If you don't know, we I'm the video in YouTube from yesterday inventory. Convert almost. And now it's download. Okay. Okay, almost I make the video just 15 minutes, okay? Like this. Oh, you can see this. Here's now 11 minutes left. And now, if we are done, now we are open Adobe Premiere. Okay, we have put first. Okay, we are open Adobe Premiere. It's loading. Right, loading is very long. we are uh, doing the tutorial. Okay. Ah, loading. Why? Ah, okay. Now we are open Finder. Why? Because I wanna open what name the video. It's a video I make in Photoshop. They say not Photoshop is just for photo, but it's a video. But I don't wanna get just tutorial about that. Now I wanna just tutorial about is Adobe Premiere. It is basic, okay? Uh, Now, okay, okay in there. Nah, for video in Photoshop. Now we are using this. In Photoshop, video is like have a sound, but if you don't like the sound, first you double click like that, and you open this like this, and you are unlink, and nowadays you can remove. But if you're not unlink, okay, okay, it's not unlink. If you move there, oh, if I delete the video, just delete too. But if I unlink, yeah, unlink and delete sound, the video is not done. Okay, no, it's not video. And and now, okay, I explain that one because it's not important. I think. Now, okay, if you wanna close the video, wait a minute. Okay, if you, yeah, I have two video where this text effect is I'm done. Right. This text effect I make this and here's text effects and the video. If you wanna see the video on this, you just close the eyes in here and this. But if you wanna close the video to in here, you to close this eye in here. And if you wanna open the video text effect in the front, you can open like that. Here's my video. Here's a 4K. But it's not good. I don't know why. Why is zoom? Okay, now we are done that. Okay, now I teach you how to crop. Yesterday I make a video and I tell how you crop, but Yes, sleep talk is life. Not yes. Oh, maybe so. If like this, and you can this video. Now you are cut video. It's just a right book. Let me say one and now I can this. Yes. This modules a name press button or order is modules. Okay. Now let me just click ah wait a minute. What I need again is if you wanna make this about I forget what this is. Uh, this maybe all like this. I used the one slide and I forget what it is. Okay, and now is a bit of ah more top mouse meeting table high high ah okay now okay what's wrong it was wrong so okay let's go open everything again or okay I don't know how it is but I'm know okay it's done my tutorial is done because it's 30 seconds then okay I stop your screen. Oh, my son is test. Okay, now I wanna stop recording. Okay, my name is Muhammad Wahid. Comment on and please don't like and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.